This is an air humidifier, combined with air purifier, and is also used as baby humidifier. It is a portable machine, which increases air moisture, for easier breathing and relieves cough and cold. Low humidity causes sore throat, causing cold and cough. This can also help in preventing damages to furniture, flooring, musical instruments and so on, which is commonly caused by dry air. An air purifier is a device which removes impurities from the air in a room. It can also be referred to as an air cleaner, which keeps every room in your home clean and comfortable. Baby humidifier. Baby humidifiers are must in winter to assist with your baby's breathing. These are designed to alleviate nasal congestion and dry coughs. Major features are room air humidification plus air purification, conveniently combined in one device, sensor control for energy-saving automatic operation, air washing without filter mats, low follow-up costs for maintenance and care, functionality for ultra-silent night operation, low maintenance and uncomplicated, easy disassembly and cleaning, variable fan control for need-based room adjustment. You may open the lid of the purifier to fill in the water. Once the water is filled, you may close the lid and plug the device to switch it on. You can see the display on the device now. The humidifier is ready to function. Air washers are a great choice for someone looking for an efficient unit, which does not produce noise. You can adjust moisture level as per your comfort, which makes it easier to get a pleasant sleep.